Hi, Gabe Murphy here with variations of the bird dog row without and with a lacrosse ball for spinal stability under load with your limbs. Speaker tap. Okay, so you got a bench, you got a low to moderate weight dumbbell. I got 20 pounds right here, it'd be a great challenge, and lacrosse ball. So I got my right knee on the bench, left hand on the bench, left leg in the air, and then right arm's moving the dumbbell, and I'm trying to keep my spine neutral and my left leg straight out as I row with the right arm. Squeezing the shoulder blade with every pull, not letting the dumbbell rotate me. I rotate the dumbbell, like so. 10 reps on one side and then switch. Dumbbell comes over. Right hand, right knee or down, left leg in the air, right leg in the air. And then row here, squeezing the shoulder blade. So, opposite hand and knee are on the bench. If you want to add some complexity and difficulty, you can take the lacrosse ball, put it on the low back, in between paraspinals, and then don't let it fall as you row.
What are your paraspinals?
They are your erectors, which are just the back straps that run up and down along the side of your spine. Thank you, Coach Sarah. Woo! Have a good time.